Let's talk about the seven seals. This is found in Revelation chapters 6 through 8:1. The seven seals, they're like a cosmic doomsday clock. As each one gets broken, it unleashes its own unique event of judgment and tribulation upon the earth. So let's break them down one by one. Seal number 1, when broken, allows evil to enter the world unopposed. It says that someone is going to conquer the church. In other words, the gates of hell will rise against the church. And this has been happening since the time of Christ until now. If you look at the history of the church, there has always been opposition against the church, persecution, people rising up against the church, trying to destroy the church. Seal number 2, this one's all about war and bloodshed. It says that they will kill 1 out of every 3 people on the earth. That's how bad this seal is. And it can't be a coincidence that this is happening right now as we speak. There's a war happening in the Middle East. There's threats of nuclear war. There's threats of World War III. Seal number 3, this one's about famine and economic collapse. It says that grain and wheat will cost a day's wage. In other words, the price of food will skyrocket. And again, just like with the war, this one is also happening right now. Wheat prices have gone up 400%. Food shortages are happening all over the world. Seal number 4, this one brings death and pestilence, also known as disease. And it says that 1 out of every 3 people will die from disease. Seal number 5. This one unleashes demonic powers on the earth. And it's described as being like a demon or an abyss. And it gives power to those who have the power of scorpions. Seal number 6. This one brings a great earthquake. It says that the earth will tremble. Everything that's made will come crashing down. Seal number 7. This one brings divine judgment. It says that hail, fire, and blood will come down from heaven. Now, what's the lesson? What should we learn from this video? Well, here it is. We should learn to live holy lives. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 says this, "But you are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, His own special people, that you may proclaim the praises of Him who called you out of darkness into His marvelous light." You see, God calls us to be holy because we are His children. And if we live holy lives, then the devil doesn't have a legal right to attack us. But if we don't live holy lives and we compromise with the world, then the devil can use that against us. So, I want to encourage you to live a life that honors God. Make that decision today. Are you going to live a life that honors God, or are you going to live a life that honors the devil? Make that decision today. God bless you.